Hi Tumelo. Okay, now I will show you quickly how to do set up a report. So once again, open up your console, you go to System, then you go to Utilities, there you'll find Reports, you go to Report Definition. You'll find these listed 10 reports. So for example, I'm going to choose Member Report Details again. If you double click the report details, if you don't have this blue arrow, then we might need to check your administrative level that's set on the console and just add it for you. Nevertheless, we can, I'll show you just where you can change it. So you go through this, you can page through the report settings with these two blue arrows. So this is the report name, the description. You can enter a description here, the author, the title of the report, and here is where you select the logs from which this report needs to extract the information. The timestamp field is time, and there's a detailed report formatter and also a summary report formatter, which I won't get into now. There's a report sections, details, summary, event duration, and availability. Okay, so if I click this blue arrow, it goes to the next screen. So here's all the fields I would like to have in my report. The availability and downtime is just for alarm, so we're not going to use it now. So we're only going to focus on this: the time, reference, global number, title, name, surname, etc., which is the fields that you want to have in your report. You can go to the next detail. So this is where you find your filters. So you can say, I want out of that report type, I want the field, the type of the information I want to filter is just the report. So everything in this log is going to be in this report because it's of type report. But say, for example, if I just wanted to have Tumelo, I can have your name in here. So if I filter by names, I can just put in here Tumelo, and it will find all the Tumelos in this report. Okay, so this is the filters that you can put in here. Then you can go next. You can have a summary field of all the mobile numbers, and this is selected on the global, which is just the international format. If we go next, here's the email recipients. So at the moment it says frank@isonsystems.com, but we can enter, for example, yours and Matsipo's email. So I'm going to quickly do that. So Tumelo, your email is tumelo.kunene@racebank.co.za. So I'm going to enter yours, and I'm just going to enter Matsipo's email as well for test. Have your two emails in there, and next, and here we can have the time, but this is also triggered every time you want to send the report. So I'm just going to leave out the times here, but I'm going to check the email console. So I'm going to save this, and I'm just going to quickly add both your emails in there so that we can, if you guys want to run the report, you don't need to enter it again. Just want to get your email again out of my email. Okay, but nevertheless, this is how you get into the details of the report.